Hey, this is Store Fury 89 here. And what you see here is the Dairy Queen's website right there. Famous for their desserts, I'm going to attempt to do something that nobody has even heard of. This is what I'm going to call this. This is going to be the Dairy Queen's Ultimate Blizzard Fan Club Challenge. And what that challenge will be consisting of is I'm going to attempt to eat one blizzard out of each categories right there. So I'm going to get one blizzard out of the Cookie Lovers section, one out of the Candy Cravers section, one out of the Fruit Fans section, and lastly, one blizzard out of the Chocoholics section. And what is the ultimate Blizzard fan club challenge without getting their Blizzard of the month here? So this month's Blizzard of the month is their S'mores Blizzard treat. And this is on June 7th, 2014. So the rules are pretty simple. All you gotta do is get one blizzard out of each categories. You could choose whatever flavors you want, and let's get this show started. So, featured in this challenge, the flavors I have chosen are, this is the Double Fudge Blizzard right here, and this is the Reese's Peanut Butter Cup Blizzard there, a Banana Cream Pie Blizzard here, and the Chocolate Xtreme, and the best of all, we got the Blizzard of the Month S'mores right there. So, gonna waste no time. Gonna get started before it starts melting. So, let's get this show started. Alright, so I'm ready. So 3, 2, 1, and let's start eating. Part is done. By the way, I'm doing the very large. They're all large size blizzards, so this will be interesting. Makes it harder. So I'm gonna be the first ones to join in the fan club. So next stop here is the Reese's Peanut Butter Cup Blizzard. Reese's Peanut Butter Cup Blizzard down. Now I'm gonna go with the banana cream pie right here. Oh. Cream pie blizzard down. Now to Chocolate Xtreme. already feeling getting full already. At least I'm feeling the pressure. Getting messy, but that's the part of the game. Chocolate Xtreme Blizzard done. Just getting really cold. Starting to shiver. Stomach's starting to hurt. And now to the final blizzard. The Smores. Done. Well, guys, here you go. Now I can proudly say that I am now part of the Dairy Queen's Ultimate Blizzard fan club fan club. The overall experiences, it's really good, but it's really cold. However, as I progress throughout this challenge, it's got to the point that they don't even taste good anymore. But it's an exercise of mind over matter. Now I'm just going to be practically freezing for the next several hours or so. So please like, please subscribe, please comment, please tell me if you have any future suggestions. This is Dairy Queen's Ultimate Blizzard Fan Club Challenge completed in little over 24 minutes. This is Store Fury 89. Talk to you next time.